Alright guys, I'm gonna show you how to fix frozen TV or TV doesn't want to turn on. As you can see, my TV, it just keep flashing smart TV, and I can't believe it because it was less than a year that I have this TV. Since I still have the warranty, I decided to call technical support and they walked me through a few things that I can do to fix it. The first thing you can do is actually unplug the TV from the wall and let it rest for a few seconds, maybe a minute. The next thing that I did was to go in the back of the TV on the power button and then hold it for for a few seconds, 10-15 seconds, and see what happened. And to me, actually, it works the first time. So I hold it for 15 seconds and kind of reset the whole thing and turn it back on again normally. Another thing that they advised me to do is actually to hold on the power button on the remote control, remove the batteries for 15 or 20 seconds, and not sure why, maybe just to drain out the energy that's in the remote control, and then try it again to turn it back on. Anyway, somehow it fixed it, but then it happens again, and I had to call customer support, and they advised me to reset it. So I went to the menu, click on settings on the bottom left part of the TV, and went to a system, and I select start setup, and I restored my TV as the original settings. And that pretty much fixed the whole problem, I guess. Okay, thanks for watching. Hope you like it. Please subscribe. I need 1,000 followers. And then I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.